Desert Queen is a Jeep expedition exclusively for women, which to date has taken place in some of the most exotic and challenging landscapes in the world. We recently joined one of these expeditions in the Negev Desert in southern Israel.
The Desert Queen's about, I think the heart of it is doing something for the first time, something you never did. It could be traveling without your family. It could be leaving your kids for the first time. It could be mingling with women in a more intense way. It could be driving the 4x4 for the first time. As long as you do something for the first time, I think you did the Desert Queen thing.
הרעיון הגיע בעצם כשהתחלנו לפני הרבה שנים, שבדיוק היה הזמן של השלום עם ירדן. ואז הייתה איזושהי מחשבה לעשות משהו לכבוד השלום עם ירדן, ואז עלה הרעיון של בוא נעשה איזה טיול ג'יפים של נשים, כאילו איפה שפעם נסעו טנקים, היום ניסו נשים, ובעצם מזה זה התחיל, בתור מחשבה לעשות פרויקט חד פעמי. אבל ההצלחה הייתה כל כך גדולה שמאז זה נמשך וגדל, וזה התחיל ממסע בשנה והגיע להיום, כמו שאמרתי, פרויקט שאנחנו מוצאים הרבה יותר נשים. היה לי מין חלום כזה להביא נשים מחול לארץ לעשות את מלכת המדבר. ההזדמנות כאילו התרחשה כשהיה 60 שנה לישראל, ואז חברנו לסוכנות היהודית שהם שותפים שלנו בפרויקט הזה בארץ, והם בעצם אלה שמחברים אותנו לנשים בעולם, כי מלכת המדבר הוא פרויקט מאוד מוכר בישראל. אם תשאל אישה בישראל על מלכת המדבר, אני חושבת שאין אישה שלא תדע להגיד לך משהו, שהיא שמעה על זה, שהיא יודעת מה זה, גם אם היא לא השתתפה, אבל בחוץ לארץ זה פרויקט לא מוכר. הסוכנות היהודית הם השותף שלנו שבעצם מחבר אותנו לקהילות היהודיות בחו"ל. אז התחלנו ב-60 שנה למדינה, רצינו איזה דרך לחגוג את זה, ואז אנחנו ממשיכים.
It's a program that originally was Israeli women only, and many times a year, I think it's been about 12 years, and many times a year they travel all over the world as a group of Israeli women going to, I know they've been to Lapland, to Romania, to Africa, a lot of different places. 3 years ago, it began here in the country, and I think the idea was to do it with Israeli women and women from around the world, including, of course, the United States. There are cultural differences. I mean, even if you are speaking with a woman, you know, she speaks English or you speak Hebrew, and you think, hey, we're exactly the same, there are cultural differences. It's a very different environment. And one of the things that are nice, I don't want to say the cultural differences are totally broken down, even though they are some, but it's more sharing of the cultural differences. And as the days go on, they want to sing our songs. We want to learn their songs. We're dancing whatever it is that they do, I'm not quite sure. They're doing our kind of dancing, and it's really interesting because you get to really relate to other women on a level that certainly as a tourist you'd never ever have a chance to. But even just if you came and just spent some time here, this is really intense time, so you really get to see that difference.
My name is Joanne Pichotto. I'm from Guatemala. I'm 24 years old and I'm here with the MASA program. I was super lucky to be chosen to come to Queen Desert Queen. Well, for me particularly, I didn't know anything about the program and I didn't want to find anything out because I like surprises, and it's been like one surprise after the other. The first thing was that I'm put into a jeep with 3 other girls. One is from Paris, one is from Moldova, and one is from New York. And at first, you're like, you're gonna be sharing the jeep with these people for 6 days, and it's like, okay, I'm scared of this. But there was such a big connection between the 4 of us, and we all think that for some reason we all got chosen because we have deep connections. We've had chance to speak a lot about our lives, and the activities that the staff from Queen Desert has put up for us has been incredible.
Thank you.